Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's like, this is where we have to take a leadership role and be the first one to ask the first question.
Absolutely.
And say, look, I see that you're kind of quiet here. Are you feeling stuck or something? What's going on? Is there anything that I can help you out with? And if we take more of a proactive approach, we could change a lot more people's lives instead of being reactive, right?
Yes.
Instead of waiting for someone to say something, don't wait for someone to say something. It's always good to ask, out of courtesy, like, hey, listen, how are things going?
Right.
Right? How are things going with you?
Right.
Because there's a lot of people out there that build businesses and they really don't care in that way. All they care is about their own bottom line. Now, don't get me wrong, we're running a business. We need to build a bottom line.
Absolutely.
But at the same time, there's nothing wrong with having that human aspect of caring for that individual.
True.
You see what I'm saying? Now, if you care about someone and they turn your back on you, we're like, okay, screw you, whatever, goodbye, right? We don't have time. But the people that reach out their hand, or you reach out their hand and they take it,
Yes.
then there's nothing wrong with that.
That's right.
At all.
Yeah.
And that's when strangers become family.
Yep.
You know what? That's a good point. And I want to say something else too. And we're going to wrap it up. I won't keep you guys up too long because I know you guys it's really late over there. I want to close it with this, okay?
Yeah.
When you see a lot of sponsors out there, a lot of people get really, really angry when you start helping other people out that they're connected to. Now, I'm going to put this out there, and I really don't care. What's going on is, if you drop the ball, then damn it, that's your fault. Because if you didn't take the time to help someone and give the value on another level that you should, okay?
Amen.
Because if it wasn't for them, you wouldn't have your freedom.
That's right.
And that's the way I've always felt about it, the way you felt about it as well.
Always.
Right?
That's right.
And this is not going towards just one particular person, just going to anybody out there.
No, because I learned it. I learned it in network marketing.
Yeah,
it is a golden rule.
Yeah, if you drop the ball,
yes,
someone is going to pick that person up.
It's been like that in the days of old.
It's just the way it's going to work.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
And
now,
people need to learn from that experience.
Right. And that doesn't mean that you go out and you bother someone in someone else's circle.
No.
That means if someone comes to you on their own, there's nothing that you can do about that.
That's right.
Because it's fair game. When someone reaches out to you or reaches out to us, even if you are an individual, people are reaching out to you that is watching us right now, maybe watching the replay.
Right.
There's nothing wrong with that, because that means the other individual dropped the ball. They didn't care. All they care was about this. They didn't care about building a long-term relationship to help them make money. Because when you help them make money, you make money.
Right.
Well, here's what happens too, though. So you see, you might work a little bit differently out there, and you might say, well, I am going to build a business. I'm going to watch my bottom line, and that's it. But here's what happens. You can build the bottom line, but I'll guarantee you this. That bottom line will not be sustainable unless you learn to give more back and give more value to the individuals that you have in your circle.